B for banana. B for banana. B A N A N A. Banana. Banana is a tasty fruit. B for banana. B for bus. B for bus. B U S. Bus. The big yellow bus takes us to school. B for bus. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. B U T T E R F L Y. Butterfly. Butterflies have beautiful wings. B for butterfly. B for bell. B for bell. B E L L. Bell. Ring the Christmas bell and Santa will come. B for bell. B for bees. B for bees. B E E S. Bees. Bees gives us honey. B for bees. B for book. B for book. B O O K. Book. Books are fun to read. B for books. B for bird. B for bird. B I R D. Bird. Look up. There's a bird flying in the sky. B for bird. B for bed. B for bed. B E D. Bed. I like to read bedtime stories in my bed. B for bed. B for bat. B for bat. B A T. Bat. Bat can fly in the dark. B for bat. B for bicycle. B for bicycle. B I C Y C L E. Bicycle. Bicycles have two wheels that goes round and round. B for bicycle. B for boat. B for boat. B O A T. Boat. Boat sails on the water. B for boat. B for baby. B for baby. B A B Y. Baby. Babies are cute and small. B for baby. B for ball. B for ball. B A L L. Ball. Children love to play with bouncy ball. B for ball. B for broccoli. B for broccoli. B R O C C O L I. Broccoli. Broccoli is a vegetable which keeps us healthy. B for broccoli. B for balloon. B for balloon. B A L L O O N. Balloon. Balloons are big and round like a balls. B for balloon. B for bulb. B for bulb. B U L B. Bulb. Bulb gives us light. B for bulb. B for bag. B for bag. B A G. Bag. Bags keeps our book safe. B for bag. B for bear. B for bear. B E A R. Bear. Bear lives in forest. B for bear. B for beetroot. B for beetroot. B E E T R O O T. Beetroot. Beetroots are red in color. B for beetroot. B for bull. B for bull. B U L L. Bull. Bulls are big and very strong. B for bull. B for bread. B for bread. B R E A D, bread. I like to eat bread with peanut butter. B for bread. B for butter. B for butter. B U T T E R, butter. Butters are creamy and very soft. B for butter. B for bin. B for bin. B I N, bin. We should throw our garbage in the bin. B for bin. B for brain. B for brain. B R A I N, brain. Brain helps us to solve our puzzles. B for brain. B for brush. B for brush. B R U S H, brush. I use brush to paint beautiful pictures. B for brush. B for bacon. B for bacon. B A C O N. Bacons are tasty and crispy food. B for bacon. B for bandage. B for bandage. B A N D A G E, bandage. I keep many bandages in my first aid kit. B for bandage. Like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos.